Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to another episode of our channel. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So today we are gonna do an antonyms quiz to check your knowledge in antonyms. Do you have that knowledge in antonyms? Let's find out. So without any further delay, let's. And as you know, the rules are simple and same as the previous one. The word will pop up on the screen and you try to guess it. What is the opposite of this word? For example, the opposite of bad is good. Antonym of good is bad. So, let's go! Question number 1. Cautious. What is the antonym of cautious? Careful, wary, reckless, stupid. Time's up. The antonym of cautious is reckless. Question number 2. High, lofty, low, tall, giant. The antonym of high is low. Hide, expose, conceal, cover, save. What do you think will be the answer? The antonym of hide is expose. Question number 4. Public. I think this one is pretty easy, right? The antonym of public is private. Private. Immense. Immense. Options? The timer. Trivial. Pretty. Enormous. Insignificant. What do you think will the answer? It's insignificant. The antonym of immense is insignificant. Number 6. Leave, separate, vacant, split, arrive. Time's up. The antonym of leave is arrive. Arrive is antonym of leave and leave is antonym of arrive. Number 7. Reduce. The options are limit, huge, dilute, increase. Timer, stop. The correct answer is, the antonym of reduce is increase. The antonym of reduce is question number 8. Ill. Ill. Options: sick, poorly, healthy, feeble. The time's up. So the correct answer will be healthy. The antonym of healthy is ill. So what's up with the score? How are you doing till now? Tell me your score in the comments. Question 9. Brave. The options are coward, bold, stout, spunky. Timer's up. The correct option is coward. The antonym of brave is coward. 10. Pull. This one's pretty easy and you see that word in all the shops. Time's up. The antonym of pull is push. Pull and push. I know many people and I also get confused between pull and push. Like push, pull. What? Okay, let's. 11. Narrow. The options are long, sight, broad, scant, broad, sight, long. And time's up. The antonym of narrow is broad. Broad is antonym of the narrow and narrow is antonym of broad. 12. Barren. Barren. Options: fertile, sterile, desert, beautiful. The correct option is fertile. 13. Spunky, brave, plucky, timid, stupid. The answer is, come on, time's not yet. The answer is timid. The antonym of spunky is gullible, gullible. The options are innocent, evasive, naive, overtrusting. The correct answer to the question number 14 is overtrusting. Question 15. Impertinent, impertinent. The options are brash, polite, naughty, rude. What do you think will be the answer? Do you think you can score full in this quiz? Let me know in the comments. The answer to the question 15 is polite. Antonym of polite is impertinent. 16. Affluent, affluent. Options: difficult, prosperous, rich, poor. And time's up. The correct answer is poor. The antonym of poor is affluent. 17. Impartial. The T here is silent. Impartial. Dislike, hostile, biased, worried. Time's up. The correct answer is biased. Biased, impartial. These are the both antonyms to each other. 18. Lethal, lethal. Options: forgive, fraud, playful, safe. What do you think will be the answer? Time's up. The answer to the question number 18 is safe. Safe, lethal are both antonyms to each other. 19. Frantic, frantic. The options are active, hopeful, calm, bitter. Time's up. The correct option is calm. Calm is the antonym of frantic. Question number 20. Quaint, and the options are charming, average, modern, fragile. Time's up. The answer is modern. Modern is the antonym of quaint. And this is the end. And thank you so much for watching this video. And what's your score? Tell me in the comments. Did you do well? And bye bye. See you in the next video.